thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I take my son's twist out. I'm explaining to you guys in the video that I already took out one. I just didn't show it on camera. This was supposed to be a redo, y'all, but I went to the store and I forgot the pins or whatever. So I said, let me just show them for who's ever struggling to take the twist out if they left it in so long. I'm showing you guys how to do it. Now, this has been in his head for 8 weeks, y'all. All right, y'all. So like I said, his hair, these twists has been in his hair for 8 weeks. And let me just explain to y'all something right quick, okay? So when we first did his hair, the only day he slept with a do-rag on was on that first night. Other than that, he did not have a do-rag on at all. It's okay. We didn't go anywhere. He get homeschooled. So, and if we did go anywhere, he put on a hat. So it usually hold up better than this, y'all. But he didn't even sleep with a do-rag, and I didn't even make him sleep with it on, because I had did these dreads for the purpose of the video. Okay, so with that being said, let me just show y'all what I do to take it out. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is the kind of comb that I'm using, the rat tail comb with the metal end. All right, so first thing you're going to do is untwist the twist, okay? I'm just going in a little closer. So we're going to untwist the twist the opposite way of the way that you twisted when you first did the twist, okay? We're going to untwist it. And as you guys can see how it look a little knotted up, it ain't really knotted up, but that glue, okay, y'all, the gorilla snot, Lord, I said glue, the gorilla snot. So y'all see me, I'm starting at the very end, and I start combing it, okay? He have a lot of new growth too, y'all. It grew a lot. So after you start combing it, you can use a water tooth comb to comb it so it can be better. But you don't want to just do it any kind of way. You want to take your time and comb it, okay? You don't want to start all the way at the bottom or in the middle. You want to start right there at the end. And once you see that it start unloosen, you just want to pull it apart, okay? And you just want to pull it apart. It's very easy, y'all. You don't want to just rip it right then and there apart, because it's not going to do, okay? I mean, it's going to do, but you're going to rip his hair, okay? You're going to rip the hair. You don't want to do that. So once you comb the ends and you start pulling it apart, you don't want to just comb it, okay? You don't want to do that, y'all, because it's going to tear his hair. So what you want to do is you want to get some conditioner. Any kind of conditioner. This specific conditioner I got from the Dollar Tree, okay? We're just going to get the conditioner, and we're just going to massage it in the hair so it can make it a little softer and get all that gorilla snot out of there, okay? So we're just massaging it, getting that into the hair, and once you feel that it loosened up, the gorilla snot loosened up, it's just very easy. See how it is to comb it? And bam, the twist is out. The twist is out. You'll be surprised. A lot of people ask me, how do I take it out, y'all? Because some people they'll leave it in too long and they're scared that it's gonna lock up. But you see what I'm showing y'all? You cannot just pull it apart, y'all. It's not gonna work. Please don't just pull it apart. If you kept it in for 8 weeks or longer, to where it start like dreading up a little bit, okay? So we're taking our comb and we're just gradually combing the ends, okay? All right, y'all. Y'all can even use the end of the comb, but just take your time and just unravel. And so let me show you guys something, okay? So as you guys can see, it's stuck right here, okay? Some of them are going to be like that. And if they get stuck, get your conditioner, massage that conditioner in the hair, and just gradually massage it, and then that twist is just going to come right out, okay? Because that gorilla snot, y'all, is like glue, okay? All right, y'all, so you can leave these twists in for 4 to 8 weeks. I think you can leave it in longer, but I never left it in past 8 weeks, okay? So if you leave it in 4 weeks, it won't be as dreaded up and like as stuck like it is if you leave it in for more than 4 weeks. If you leave it in 4 weeks or less, I don't think it's going to be that hard. Well, I know it's not going to be that hard to take it out. It's not hard, y'all, but it won't be that like stuck. You know what I mean? Like together, because that gorilla snot is like glue. Okay. So like I said, you can leave it in 4 to 8 weeks, whatever you prefer. Just long, if you do leave it in for longer than 4 weeks, this is the process that you will have to take. Unravel, comb the ends. Sorry, y'all. Unravel, comb the ends, put the conditioner in it. If it gets stuck, just massage it out of that and comb your twist, and you're done. All right, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys how I do the back. Remember when I did the twist, the back was thicker. So it's a different process, y'all. Still basically the same thing, but you have to really, really make sure you take your time. So I'm actually using the metal end of the comb. I unraveled, same process, unraveled, and we're going to take that metal end and we're going to put it in between the dreads. Okay, we're not going to force it and go all the way at the top. We're going to take our time and we're going to gradually, you see how I'm moving up? We're going to gradually just take it and just pull away from, okay? Please don't rush this process, y'all, because you don't want to damage the hair, because the purpose of putting the twist in there is for the hair to grow, you know? All right, y'all, so I'm showing you what you don't want to do. Did you see that? That's because I skipped. You see, you want to continue. You don't want to just go all the way at the top. If that makes sense. Y'all know what I'm saying? Don't rush the process, y'all. So that's all I'm saying. That's all I wanted to show you guys. All right, y'all. So as you guys can see, I am done taking the twist out. And I'm just showing you guys how much his hair has grown. And it did, y'all. It grew so much. You really can't tell that much because it needs to be washed or whatever. But it's white like that because of the conditioner that we put in his head to loosen the twists with. But yeah, y'all, it grew a lot, y'all. As you guys can see, look. All right, y'all. So I forgot to mention, this is how much your hair came out, okay? As you guys can see, it is not a lot at all, y'all. But I'm surprised. That's how much your hair came out. And that's how much has grown, you guys, all right? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to love one another. God bless, and I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.